Jersey Blader, and I got a new Blade, which is Earth Virgo. So yeah. Okay. A Virgo, Hasbro, and everything. Yeah. Virgo. Wow. It's a balance ability, I think. It's a stamina. Yeah. So let's open it here first. String launcher. Matches with my stadium. This is a string. This is launcher. Here's the information thingies. Fusion wheels, spin track, performance, and it's tool. It's stickers. And now it's time for the video. It's baseball. It's tattooed. It's energy ring. Virgo. It's fusion wheel. It's spin track. It has these like little balls right here. That marble balls that turn. Oh, that sounds wrong. Balls. Right. He got this tip. Sorry. He got this tip. And its card. But most importantly, his card. This baseball, and then energy ring is 1-star attack, 2 stars defense, 4 stars stamina. Its fusion is 1 attack, 1 defense, 5 stamina. Its spin track is 2 defense and 3 stamina. Its performance is BS. Its spin track is GB145. Its performance is 3 defense and 4 stamina. So yeah, there you have it, Virgo. Oh yeah. Never mind. I'll do another video. Let's put our Virgo together. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, where's the performance tip? I think I lost it. If I lose the performance tip, I'll give each one of you $1 million, right? No, never mind. See? Found the performance tip. None of you are getting $1 million. Ha. Joking. But yeah, none of you are getting $1 million. So yeah, let's put our Virgo together. Virgo, I think he has a good opportunity for being one of my best Beyblades. If you have a Virgo, comment below. Just and say if he's good or not. I really want to know. Put these 2 stickers, the most important ones. And the tattoo, I'll save this sticker for. Never mind. Okay, this string launcher. Put the sticker right here. So yeah, I guess this is our Virgo. Wait, hold up. Still forgot to. Sorry. So yeah, there you have it. Earth Virgo. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, And I guess. Bye.